What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mavian's Lane. So me and T-Bird up in the car, starting our day early, ripping and running. And then, you know, I had to stop at Starbucks and get my hot chocolate. Look at you flying fast. You know the police be sitting up that bridge. But anyway, I had to stop at Starbucks and get my little hot chocolate. And yeah. What you got? She ain't got nothing but
Happy holidays.
Yeah, happy holidays.
Out in these streets. That new virus is on the rise.
It is. But anyway, like she was saying, it's a new virus out there. So y'all be safe for this new holiday. Well, not new holiday, but this happy holiday. And yeah.
No, this holiday season, stupid.
Oh, well, this holiday season. Look, I don't celebrate Christmas like that because I get stuff throughout the year. So I don't be worried about nothing for Christmas. But I'm finna stop and get me some food. And yeah, and we finna proceed on with our day. That was so fake.
Look, wait a minute. He Keegan. How Keegan do it? How he do it?
So we are. So she's starting us off. We're going to well, the first stop we're going is to Walmart. And by the way, what are you doing? Anyway, I'm in the car with the elderly today. But we're going to, the first stop we're going to Walmart, and then from there we just gonna see where the car takes us, because you know the car got a mind of its own.
It really does have a mind of its own.
But for now we finna head to Wally World real quick, and then yeah, we'll see where we go from there. So yeah. Alright y'all, so we in Walmart right now. And we're looking for microwave covers, so whenever you warm the food, it won't pop everywhere. So I'm looking for one of them, but they ain't got none. That ain't it. But they don't have none, so.
Let's check out the counter.
Yeah, let's look over there. Oh wait, I might could look at it in the Walmart. Y'all, so it was these people in Walmart trying to offer some Wi-Fi, right? And then they was steady trying to get Miss Calanthe to get the Wi-Fi, and she steady walking. I'm like, look at her being mean. Them people were so nice, but they better say stop talking though. But I'm like, look at the elder. But let me grab this. All right, y'all. So we just left out of Walmart. There was so many people up in that store. It didn't make no sense. It was claustrophobic.
Big time.
Big time. But yeah, so now we're finna go and one more store, and then we hand back to the house. Yep, that's what we doing. So we just made it back to the house. I stopped in Best Buy. They had what I needed. Then we made a quick little pit stop, and now we home.
It was a little stop.
It was a little stop. Quite a stop.
Oh, Lord.
So how was that outing today?
It was just wonderful. I enjoyed it.
That's
just too many people.
Yeah, it was a lot of people. It was.
Yeah, people all over the place.
Then this 18-wheeler just pulled out. Like, them things drive bad. It's bad enough I done already got towed up by one.
They own the world. You have to move over.
Yeah, but them 18-wheeler they drive so bad. But I can't wait till Friday. I get me a haircut because this hair look a mess. But yeah, so now I'm finna go in here and bake a cake.
All right.
And decorate it.
Sounds like a plan.
Yep. All right, y'all. So me and T-Bird up in the store right now. Don't know what we're doing in the store. She just come in the store just to be in the store. But we meeting somebody for some candy apples and what else? And some strawberries, some candy strawberries and stuff.
Yeah, if she make it.
Yeah, if she make it. But yeah. Mom, what you got to say to the vlog right now? Because you ain't say nothing this morning.
I did say something this morning.
No, you didn't. You waved.
I talked to her.
No, she didn't. But, so, now we're up in this store. It ain't dull up in here. It ain't nothing up in here. But, we'll see. So, my mama got me home her purse. This purse is heavy. Like, golly. That purse heavy. Like, this purse weighed like 10 pounds. I remember she went to the doctor, right? And the scale said something else, and then she was like, oh, let me take my purse off. Tell me why her weight dropped by 20 pounds. I was like, that don't make no sense.
Doing.
Your weight did drop 20 pounds.
I'm just telling lies.
I'm not telling lies. Her purse is heavy. Like, whew. This shit. Damn. Break my arm off. So I'm back at home. And the store was very much so dry. Store dry. Then we had to meet this lady with some candy apples and them candy strawberries and stuff. So, you know, we was waiting for the lady. It took her ages to get there. I mean, like, I don't know what the issue was, but I mean, I guess the strawberries and stuff made up for it. It was good, so I mean, I guess. But, you know, we did that. We met up with her, then we came back home. And now we at home. Cause, whew, if y'all familiar with the 1960 area, whew, that traffic long is, whew, and then people drive bad. Like, it was this one car, they pull out to get back over there. It was just all bad cars. It's just horrible. But I'm at home. I'm finna upload some stuff on my website because I got all that stuff sorted out. So I'm finna upload some stuff on my website. I'm gonna have that link down below. Well, I believe I'm gonna upload some stuff tonight. I believe so. But I'm just still link it down below just in case somebody else see this video at another day. So I'm gonna link some of that stuff down below. And yeah, so right now, I don't know what I know what I'm finna do, but yeah. That's pretty much all what happened after I left out, after we left out that store. So yeah, today was a real nice outing because for the past few days I've been in the house. I had house fever. I can't stand being in the house. When I tell y'all, being in the house is stressful. Whoo! That stuff is stressful. But yeah, I can't wait till Friday come get my little haircut. But I was in the house. I was about to lose my mind. Whew, never again. But yeah, so let me upload this stuff to my website. And yeah, so I'll see if I do anything the rest of the day. Interesting. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I was setting some stuff up with my website. Whatever it's doing, it ain't nothing but that devil. It's the devil blocking right now. Because whatever it's doing, it ain't it. But I'm going to figure it out because y'all know I always figure it out. But, you know, I had to take a pit stop with my friend, Miss Wilson. She's sitting here eating.
Hi, guys.
Hold on. Let's fix the camera. Oh, hold on. I can do it like this. She over there eating. We taking a pit stop break. I need to go downstairs and fill my cup up with something to drink because I'm thirsty. But yeah, I think this is going to be the end of the vlog right here. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. It ain't nothing but that devil blocking. Mary, what you got to say to the vlog? And be child friendly too.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Really, I've been dying in the state, but Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and yeah, stay sucker free. That's all you can do.
That part. But yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog. So I'll see y'all whenever I'll probably see y'all Christmas. Or no, I'm gonna see y'all Friday. Cause I'm getting a haircut, so you know I gotta show my haircut off. But I'm gonna see y'all Friday and Saturday.
He just gotta be extra.
What?
You just gotta be extra.
It's not extra. When you get a haircut, you a whole new person.
I know, because when I get my hair done, I'm a whole new person.
Yeah. And you feel like can't nobody tell you nothing. You be on top of the world. But yeah, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I hope all y'all day, well, not tomorrow. We not doing vlogmas no more. Not tomorrow. But anyway, I hope all y'all days is good. And yeah, so peace. Hang up. Come on, thing. Stop recording.